Today we will go with our notice writing. In this, we will study about how to write notice and what are the ways to write notice and what is the purpose of writing notice, what are the content should be there in that, so on. So let's see what is notice writing and how we have to write. Notice writing. Introduction about notice writing. How do we communicate? One to one to many for a period of time. That means whenever we are communicating either one to one or one to many. Sometimes we are communicating one to many for a period of time. So in this way, notice writing is useful for doing this communication. So notice writing. What is a notice? It is a formal means of communication. What we can say notice. Notice is a formal means of communication. What is its purposes? Its purpose is to announce, display information to a specific group of people, to be pinned up on specific display boards in schools, public places, newspapers. That means it is obvious that when we want to announce something or display something and display some information to a specific group of people, we used to write notice to be pinned up. That means a notice is always pinned up on a specific display boards in schools, public places or newspapers, we can say. Now you can read about what are the important contents found in notice writing, like name of the organization issuing the notice, then the title of the notice should be there, catchy heading should be there to introduce the subject, the date of the notice should be mentioned, body of the notice should be there, writer's sign, name in capital letters, designation also should be there. You can see the format of notice writing. Here it is mentioned, like it is mentioned with the format. You can see name of organization, office issuing the notice, then date is there on the right side. You can write date either right side or left side also. Notice heading is there, body of the notice, because continuously the CBSE is changing some formats in our writing skills. So you can see that signature is mentioned, and below signature name is there and designation. So what we have to keep in our mind, some points we have to keep in our mind while writing the notice, that is what is going to happen. That means the event, what event is going to be happen, that should be mentioned in the notice. Where it will take place, it should be mentioned. The venue should be mentioned in the notice. When it will take place, that means date and time of the notice. The event should be happen. Yeah, who can benefit from the information, whom to contact and etc. That means whatever the event is going to happen, that is going on where, going to happen in which place, yeah, what is going to happen, where it will take place, then when it will take place, and who will get benefit from that notice, and whom we have to contact related to this all things. We have to know how to write the notice. Like notice writing should be done in passive voice. You can see presented within a box. Word limit should be 40 to 50 words only in body, and that means counted. Information given must be clear. Whatever information you are giving in the notice writing, that should be clear. Okay, then you can see that catchy appealing, attract attention at once. That means whatever catchy appealing is there, that means it should attract attention at once. Then bold letters should be there, catchy slogan should be there, striking words, phrases etc. should be used in the notice writing. No personal pronouns will be used. Short but grammatically accurate sentences should be used. You can see the notice writing marking scheme is mentioned here. The name of the organization notice and the heading of the heading and the date, it will carry 1 marks. The name and designation of the person, it will carry half marks. So you can see, then you can see the placing the notice within a box, that will carry half marks. Content and language, that will carry 2 marks. In the content you can see exceeding word limit by 2 by 3rd words, then half marks will be there, and 4 or more words, then 1 marks. That means you can see that how to write the notice. Here some sample question is given, like notice writing. About notice writing, it is mentioned with the sample. On the occasion of National Science and Technology Day, the Delhi Public School, New Delhi, has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, the secretary of the Science Society, wants to call a meeting of the office bearers of the society to discuss the arrangements for the fair. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. So you can see the sample of this. It is given like notice writing. The heading of the school's organization's name is mentioned, Delhi Public School, New Delhi. Then it is mentioned notice. Then on the right side the date is mentioned, meeting of the heading of that notice, what is meeting of Science Society, etc. Then the body is mentioned and what it is mentioned, where in the school library on 28th February, like it is mentioned with the date of that to discuss the arrangements for the fair, the signature of the person, the name of the person, and the designation is mentioned. So you can see that how it is written inside the box. That means it should mention inside the box, and without box it will be not counted as your notice writing. So you can see the samples are given, another sample is given. So you can go through this all things and you can find how to write, which one is right and which one is wrong in the right notice writing, how to write, which should be written and which should not written. You can see in this one, like it is written like something is mentioned like continued, or the signature is done on the right side, it should not be done, it should be written like this side. Then you can go through that. The date also you can write on the left side, as I told you that the CBSE always changes the what we can say format of the writing scales. So you can see now I am going on the slide which is having some class assignment, and you can do this class assignment as well as home assignment also. So thank you, have a nice day. That I have mentioned the notice writing, and I think it is helpful for you. Thank you, have a nice day.